The Burdur Explorer's Guide. Adventure awaits, shouted Arda, clutching his backpack. He and his sister Daphne were finally going on a trip with their Aunt Ayla, an amazing archaeologist. Their destination? Burdur, a hidden gem in Turkey, full of history and natural wonders. Aunt Ayla met them outside the airport. "Welcome to Burdur," she beamed. "Did you know this region is famous for its delicious apples and traditional folk dances called teke dances? But our first stop is ancient history." Their car climbed winding mountain roads until they reached Sagalassos, the city of emperors. Daphne gasped. Massive stone ruins stood against the clear blue sky. "This city is over 2,000 years old," Aunt Ayla explained. Arda ran ahead, tracing the grooves in an ancient marble column. "Look, Daphne, they had big water systems here." He imagined Romans drinking cold water centuries ago. Burdur's history was truly deep. After their dusty exploration, they drove east. "We are heading to a place so beautiful. People call it the Turkish Maldives," Aunt Ayla announced. The landscape turned greener, filled with orchards. Daphne pointed to a flock of white birds flying over the hills. Suddenly, the road opened up to the site of Lake Salda. Arda stopped breathing. The water was a dazzling, bright turquoise, framed by incredibly white sand. It looked like another planet. "The white sand isn't sand at all. It's formed by minerals called hydromagnesite," Daphne whispered, carefully stepping onto the shore. "And the water is so clear because of special rocks called stromatolites." Aunt Ayla brought out a picnic basket. They sat by the lake, enjoying local cheeses and sweet Burdur halva. Arda loved how cool the air felt, despite the bright sun. This was the perfect place to rest after exploring ancient cities. The next day, back in Burdur city, they visited the museum. They saw tools from the Stone Age and intricate carpets. "Burdur is known for its strong community spirit," Aunt Ayla explained, "and its love of music, especially the rhythmic tunes for the teke dances." That evening, they watched a video of the famous teke dance, full of energy and claps. "Burdur taught me that the past and nature can live beautifully together," said Daphne. Arda nodded. "We found the Turkish Maldives and the city of emperors.